What's more valuable when pitching a product to customers? Reciting endless lists of features, presenting decks of slides, and explaining boring datasheets? Or showing them what they can do with your product to solve their problems and achieve their goals faster? Synergy target board kits, coupled with the new Synergy expansion boards, are ready to show off, providing a cost-effective and easy-to-use entry point to evaluate the Synergy family of MCUs along with many other Renesas products. At this time, there are 4 expansion boards featuring many different Renesas technologies such as battery charge management, ambient light sensing, long-range optical distance sensing, and voltage regulation using DC to DC converters and low dropout voltage regulators. Expansion boards can be connected with target board kits and with other expansion boards like Lego blocks, using a 20-pin standard header. The expansion boards also provide an easy means to connect with the vast infrastructure available for Arduino and Grove ecosystems, allowing you to quickly prototype a variety of end applications. In order to provide a consistent, useful, and delightful experience, close attention has been given to mechanical aspects, physical dimensions, component layout, connector placement, silkscreen design, package. Instead of just talking conceptually about feature compatibility, code reusability, and other value propositions of the Synergy platform, now you can use the target board kits and expansion boards to build more credibility with customers and wow them by showcasing system-level solutions leading to endless possibilities. Using target board kits and expansion boards provides more opportunities to promote and cross-sell Renesas products, broadening your partnership with your customers as an innovation enabler rather than just a component vendor, resulting in more design wins and business expansion. So what are you waiting for? Contact your regional business development manager and get your target and expansion boards today.